Today I'll be opening the Stitch Attack Snacks Mystery Pins. These were released in January of 2025 and are available in the parks for $44.99 per bag, and there are 5 pins in each bag. This is an open edition collection, meaning it could be around for quite a while if it's a popular pin series, and I'm guessing this one will be pretty popular. So the pin designs feature Stitch and Angel with various Disney snacks. This is a 16 pin collection, and the top 12 pins here are all Stitch, and then the bottom 4 are Angel. So the pin designs we can get are Stitch with shave ice, a donut, macarons, ice cream, churros, gingerbread men, Dole Whip, hot chocolate, lollipop, candy apple, popcorn, and a pretzel. And then the 4 Angel ones are Angel with the lollipop, churros, Dole Whip, and donut. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 2 bags here to open up, which is 10 pins total. So even if this goes perfectly with no duplicates, I still can't complete the collection today. But the ones I'm hoping to get are the churro pins, so Stitch with the churros and Angel with the churros. And it's really hard to see the designs on this, the bag here. They're really, really small, but I can see like the ice cream cone is on Stitch's head, so that one could be kind of cool. So we'll just see what we get here in bag number 1. Now these are just loose in the bag. I can hear the metal clanging on metal here, which I love. I like it when they're in the little bags inside. So our first pin is Stitch with the popcorn. So we have Stitch, and then he's got a popcorn bucket on his head and popcorn all over him. Looks like maybe he fell down, or, well, I really don't know. But he is getting into that popcorn. Very cool pins. Decent sized pins too. So we get pin 2. We have Stitch with the donut. So he is in a donut. It almost looks like a like an inflatable donut that you'd put in a pool because it's really big. But he is inside that donut, and he has a pink shirt on that looks like it has donut design on it. So he is very themed to some donuts. Nice. Pin 3 is the Dole Whip. So we have Stitch. He is, looks like he's doing a one-arm handstand, and the Dole Whip is on the ground, and he's licking the Dole Whip with the spoon in his other hand. It's very cool. He's also wearing a different shirt that looks like, oh, it's a Dole Whip shirt. Okay, I'm getting this now. So his shirt matches the snack, right? Is that how the first one was too? It was. Okay, so the shirt has the snack on it too. Pin 4 is, we have Stitch with the macarons. So he's holding 2 of them up near his head, and then he's got a pink shirt with all the different colored cookies there. Very cool. That one seems a little smaller because he's just standing up with his hands in the air. So, all right, and our last pin in the first bag is, ooh, I can see from the back. This might be the one I want. And it is Stitch with the churros. So he has the churros crossways like that, and then he has a churro shirt on. Looks like he's going to do some kind of fighting with churros. That's super cool. All right, so there's our 5 unique pins. That's a good thing about these bags. If you just need pins to trade in the parks, you buy one of these bags and you are going to get 5 unique pins. If you don't, there's probably some kind of mistake there. These are always unique, but once you get to the second bag, this is where the problems could come up. So let's try to avoid some duplicates. And our first pin is Stitch with the lollipop. So we have Stitch with his arms crossed. Looks like he's not very happy because his lollipop is stuck to his head. Just right there. That's pretty cool. All right. Let's see what we get here. We have Stitch with the hot chocolate. So it looks like he's enjoying some hot chocolate with a whole lot of whipped cream on that one. That's super cool. That's the best way to have hot chocolate. You gotta load it up with the whipped cream. marshmallows, both? Sure. All right, the next one. Oh, we have our first duplicate. We have another Stitch with the donuts. The donut in a donut. All right, one duplicate. We have 2 pins to go. And this one is Stitch with the gingerbread men. So he is holding up 2 gingerbread men cookies, and they have mouse ears on. That's pretty cool. And then they're also in his shirt. That one's cool. I like gingerbread cookies too. And our last pin, will it be a duplicate? I'm looking at the back, and doesn't look like one we have. And it is Stitch with the ice cream. So we have Stitch standing there, and he has an ice cream cone on his head, smashed on his head, and it looks like he's licking the ice cream that's dripping down his face. Because that's how all of us eat ice cream, right? And he has an ice cream cone shirt on too. So there we go. So that was as close to a perfect unboxing as I could get with these 2 bags. I got 9 unique pins out of the 10 tries, so that's awesome. So those were the Stitch Attack Snacks mystery pins. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite here. For me, my favorite, I have to go with the churros just because I love churros and I need more churro pins. So that one's my favorite here. And then I think the close second is the Dole Whip, which I also love Dole Whips. I just like how he's doing like a handstand and then licking the Dole Whip. I think that one's really cool. So if these seem familiar to you, it's because last year they had a monthly pin series called Stitch Attack Snacks. So the exact same kind of series. And this is the churro one, and it has a churro pin and an angel with a churro and Stitch with a churro. And Stitch is even wearing the same shirt. So it's the same series, just the mystery pins are a little bit different pose. So it's kind of like a rerun. It's kind of weird that they did these one year and then this the next year, but Stitch is a very big seller, so that's probably why they did it. So this was a great unboxing for me. I mean, I couldn't complete it, but I had 10 tries and I got 9 pins, so I only got 1 double. So I have 9 out of the 16, so I'm only missing 7. And the 7 that I'm missing are Stitch with the shave ice, and then with the candy apple and the pretzel, and then all 4 angel pins. I didn't even notice that. I got no angel pins. So angel with the lollipop, the churro, the Dole Whip, and the donut. So that equals the 7. So yeah, those are the 7 I wasn't able to show you today. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.